Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to cover some of the inbuilt functions in Python which will be useful when you are using the inheritance property of object oriented programming. So first method is IsSubclass method. So what does this method do? So the IsSubclass takes two arguments, which is subclass and superclass. So what is subclass? Subclass is basically the child class and superclass is the parent class. So this method is used to check the relationships between the specified classes. So whatever classes you have provided here, it is used to check the relationship between the provided classes. So this function returns true if the first class is the subclass of second class and false otherwise. So let's check in code how we can make use of this subclass method. So I have this Python code where I have one class operation1 which has the method sum, another class operation2 which has the method diff, another class operation3 which has the method multiply, and then one class calculate, and this class is inheriting the properties of all the above three classes, operation1, operation2 and operation3. And here I have created the object of this child class calculate. Now let's check the subclass method. So I will print, then I will say subclass, right, is subclass. So I need to provide here two classes. So what is the first class? It is the subclass. If I provide here calculate, so I need to check whether calculate is subclass of operation1. So is it the subclass? Yes, it is subclass because it is inheriting the properties of operation1. So this statement should be true. So let's run this code. So see, we are getting here true because the first class is the subclass of second class. If I reverse here, like if I say operation1 comma calculate, so it should return me false now because operation1 is not the subclass of calculate, right? Because operation1 is not inheriting any properties from other classes. So let's run this code. So see, we are getting here false. So that is the use of subclass method, which is used to check the relationship between the specified classes. So second method is IsInstance method. So the IsInstance method is used to check the relationship between the object and classes. So first method was checking the relationship between the classes, and IsInstance method is used to check the relationship between the objects and classes. So it returns true if the first parameter object is the instance of second parameter class. So let me show you in demo how we can make use of this IsInstance method. So currently I have this instance or object created of this calculate class. So what I will do, I will remove currently this subclass method and I will print IsInstance. So first parameter I need to provide the object, so I will provide here the name of the object, which is obj now. So obj comma, and second is the class name I need to provide. So this object is the object of this calculate class, right? So if I provide here calculate, then it will return me true. Let me run this. So it is returning true because object is instance of this calculate class. But if I rename this calculate with another class, let's say operation2, then it should return me false because object is not the instance of operation2, it is the instance of calculate class. So if I run this code now, so still I am getting here true. Why I am getting here true? Because calculate is inheriting all these classes, operation1, operation2, operation3. So that's why with the help of this object I am able to access the methods of operation2 as well. So that's why IsInstance is giving me true. If I try to check with operation3, then also it will return me true, right? See, it is returning true. Same with operation1 as well. So if I try to run this, so I'm getting here true. So what I can do, I can rename this object with operation1. Let's say operation1. Now this object is instance of operation1, and if I check now this with operation2, So in this case it should be false because operation 2 is not inheriting operation 1. So there is no relationship between these two classes, operation 1 and operation 2. And now we have created the instance of operation 1. So this statement should be false now. So see, we are getting here false because there is no relationship between the instance of operation 1 and operation 2. So that was the use of these two methods, IsSubclass and IsInstance. That's it for the inheritance. Now we will see another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.